Students, see here, see in example 3, find the area in square meters of a square plot whose side is given. Side is 320 meters. So here square plot, this is a square plot. Square plot side is 320 meters. If it is 320 means all the four sides are 320 meters only, 320 meters only. Now, solution, square plot side, so that is 320 meters. This is square plot side. Now, so what we have to find? Area of a square plot, area of square plot. Area of square plot is side into side, side into side. Side we should multiply with side, that is 320 meters multiply with 320 meters. Now multiply 320 with 320 in the rough column, like 320 multiply with 320. First with 0, 0, 0, 0. Next with 2, 2 zeros are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now with 3, 3 zeros are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 0, 0, 4, that is, so 1,02,400, 1,02,400 meters square. 1,02,400 meters square. This is area. This is area of a square plot. So area of a square plot means what we have to do? So we should multiply side with side, side with side, like 320 into 320. Then you will get the area of a square plot. Okay. Next. Now, so this is about regular rectilinear figures. Areas about regular rectilinear figures. Now we are going to discuss about the areas about irregular figures, irregular rectilinear figures. So then how to find irregular rectilinear figures? Areas. See here, in this picture it is irregular shape is given. So then how to convert that irregular shapes into regular and find area? Find area. So what is the method to find area of a irregular figures? Now see here, so this picture, first you join these sides. Now here we will form two rectangles. This is rectangle A, you consider this as rectangle A and this is a rectangular B. And now first you find this regular, now this irregular shape converted into regular shape. After converting irregular shape into regular shape, so find irregular shape area first regular shape and second regular shape area. So then after that add two areas, then you will get irregular shape area. Okay. Now rectangle A area, rectangle A area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 12 meters. This rectangle area length is this rectangle length 12 meters and the breadth is 4 meters. 4 meters, that is 12 fours are 48 meters square. This is 48. This complete area, the upper triangle, that is triangle A, complete area is 48 meters square. Then rectangle B area. So rectangle means length into breadth. So what is the length here? Length here is 5 meters. 5 meters and the breadth is 2 meters. 5 twos are 10 meters. So this is 10 meters. This is 48 meters. This is 10 meters. The total how much? 48 plus 10. That is 58 meters square. That is not meters, meter square. Area is in meter square. Irregular shape area. irregular figure area is equal to 48 meter square plus 10 meter square. So, which gives 58 meter square. The total area is 50 meter square. Okay. First we try to convert irregular shape into regular shape. Then after that, so find separate areas. After finding separate areas, again you should add. So then you will get complete irregular shape area. Okay. Now students, in the exercise 2, so we are going to find the area of irregular shapes. So irregular shapes area, how to find? See here 6 irregular shapes are given: S, T, U, V, W and X. So these 6 irregular shapes area we have to find. Here the length is given here 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth, area of these squares. All the squares have 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. Then first, how to find area of this? First we should count the complete squares. This is one complete square, 1, and here we have 2 complete squares. This is 1, this is 2. 2 complete squares we have, and after that here half square, here half square, half and half, it makes 1. This is third. Here half square and half square, it makes the fourth square. So total, this is first square, this is second square. Here we have half square, here half square. Half plus half, it is 1, means this is third one. Here half square and here half square. Half plus half, it makes 1, that is fourth square. And one more is left, half square, that is 4.5. 4.5 centimeter square. 4.5 centimeter square. The first square area is first irregular shape area is 4.5 centimeter square. Next, second irregular shapes. First we have to count. So what we should count? Complete squares we have to count. This is first one square, this is second square, this is third square, this is fourth square. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. 5 squares. This is half square and half square. These two makes sixth square. And here half and half. These two makes, this and this makes seventh square. So total how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half square plus half square, full square, that is sixth square. Half square and half square, it makes full square, that is seventh square. 7 centimeter square. The T is 7 centimeter square. Next, U. In this U, first we count complete squares. This is first complete square, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. 9 complete squares we have. Here we have half square, half plus half, that is full square, that is 9th, 10th square. Here half and half, this is 11th square. These two halves makes 1, that is 11th square. Then here half and here half, so that is full 12th square. Total how many squares? 12 squares, centimeter. 12 centimeter square. Next, here first squares we count. First complete square, second, third, fourth and fifth. 5 complete square, here half, here half. These two halves makes sixth square. Total 6 centimeter square area. Next, W. So full squares 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, here half and half, fifth square, half and half, sixth square, half and half, seventh square. It is 7 centimeter square. 7 centimeter square. Next, X. In X complete squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete square, and this is 6th complete square, and half, 7th complete square, these two. This is 0.5 means 7.5, 7.5 centimeter square. This is about our areas. First we should count complete squares, then after that half squares plus half squares make 1 square, that you consider as 2 half square, consider as 1 square, and count according to that. Okay. Now from this he has, on the base of this he asked 2 questions. First question is, which figure have the same areas? Same area, here 7 and 7. These two have equal areas, that is T and W. T, figure T and figure W. So W, they have equal areas. Next question, which figure has a greater area? So which figure has a greater area? U. Figure U is having a greater area. Okay, U. Okay, students, this is the method to find the irregular shapes area. Okay. Now here see, so in exercise second, in second exercise, second question, find the area of a square whose side is given. Sides are given, so then how to find area? Area of a square formula already we discussed, that is side into side. So here square area is equal to side into side. So given side, what is the side here? 25 centimeters, multiply with 25 centimeters. If you multiply 25 with 25, the answer you will get is 625 centimeter square or square centimeters. Okay. So this is the area of a square with a side 25 centimeters. Next, here square area, that is S into S. S means side into side. Side is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters. 15 15s are 225. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeters. Now here square area, that is S into S, that is side into side. 9 centimeters into 9 centimeters. 9 9s are 81 square centimeters, square centimeters or centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area of a square using formula, that is side into side. In third question, in second exercise, third question, find the area of a rectangle whose length is given and breadth is given. Length is 10 centimeters and breadth is 8 centimeters. Then rectangle area. Rectangle area is equal to 2L into B, length into breadth. What is the length here? 10 centimeters. And what is the breadth here? 8 centimeters. 10 8s are 80 square centimeters. Square centimeters. Now here length is 15.6 centimeters and breadth is 18.5 centimeters. Then area, rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 15.6 centimeters and breadth is 18.5 centimeters. Now multiply 15.6 with 18.5. 15.6 multiply with 18.5. 5 6 are 33, 5 are 25, 28, 2, 5 are 5, 7. Okay. Next with 8. So 8 6 is 48, 4 8 for the 40, 40 and 4 and again 4. So 8 1 is 8 plus 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. Next with 1. 1 6 is 6, 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1. Add 0, 16, then 18, 1, 8, 2. After 2 digits we keep a decimal. 288.60 centimeter square. This is the area. This is the area of a rectangle with the length 15.6 centimeters and breadth 18.5 centimeters. Okay. Now see students, so we have to fill in these blanks. Here in some cases he has given meters, we have to find length. In some cases we should find the breadth. In some cases we should find the area. So here in the first question, length is given, breadth is not given and area is given. Then how to find breadth? In 6 table, when you will get 48, once you check 6 8s are, so that 8 should come here. 6 8s are 48. Now in the second, say in 8 table, when you will get this 40, 8 5s are 40, means the breadth is 5 centimeters. 40 square centimeter is given, so 8 5s are 40. Now here meters and here meters, length and breadth we should find. Here the area is given, area is 25, means 25 factors we should take. 25 ones are, 125s are, 5 5s are, anyone we can take. 5 5s are 5 meters into 5 meters, 25 square meters. Okay. Now here 4 meters is given and the area is given. In 4 table, when you will get this 12, 4 3s are, so the breadth is 3 meters. Here length and breadth is given, we should find the area. So just you multiply, 5 6 are 30 square meters. Here length is not given, breadth is given. Breadth is given and what is given more? 56. Here 56 square meters is given. 56 square meters is given. In 7 table, when you will get 56, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is. The length is 8 meters. The length is 8 meters. Here length is given, so and the area is given. So what is the breadth? So we have to check in 9 table, when you will get 72. 9 8s are, so the breadth is 8 meters. Now length is given, breadth is given, that is side and side, both are same, means side and side is given. Then what is the area? Side into side, 10 10s are 100 square meters. So here length and breadth both are not given, so the area is given 16. So 16 means 16 factors we have to take. 8 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16, anyone you can take. 1 16s are 16, anyone you can take. So that is 4 4s are 8 2s are, take 4 4s are 16, or otherwise 8 2s are also correct. So here 8, here 2 or 2 8, whatever it is. Okay, 16 whatever 16 factor that we should write there. Now, so what problem in exercise 2? See here, a rope is needed to put a boundary around a ground 20 meters long. So ground length is given, so that is 20 meters long and 18 meters broad, means length and breadth is given. The length is 20 meters long and the breadth is 18 meters long. What will be the length of a rope? Length of a rope. So length of a rope, why they need this rope? Because to need to put a boundary, means here, so what we should do here? So here boundary put, need to a boundary, that means perimeter we have to find here. We have to find perimeter. So why? Here rope is needed to put a boundary. Whenever boundary is given, so then perimeter we have to find. Perimeter, so we have to find. So first steps. Rectangle length is equal to 20 meters, breadth is equal to 18 meters, length and breadth. Then after that, length of the rope length of the rope needed to put boundary is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length plus breadth, that is 2 times. What is the length here? 20 meters. And what is the breadth here? 18 meters. Then 20 into 2 into 20 plus 18, that is 38. 38 meters. 2 38s are 76 meters. So this is the boundary, length of a rope. So this much we need to make a boundary with a rope. Okay. Now the next square shaped picture is to be framed. So that square type picture is there. So that is framed. So that is kept in a frame. Its side is 39 centimeters. 39 centimeters. That frame side is 39 centimeters. Then length of the frame, that is what length of the frame will be needed. Its side is 39 centimeters. What length of the frame will be needed? Total length of the frame he is asking. Total length of the frame he is asking. Okay. So its side, only one side is given, that is 39 centimeters. This is the frame, square type frame. So the side is 39. So what is the length of this frame he is asking? Means perimeter. So we have to find perimeter. So here, so square shaped frame side is equal to 39 centimeters. 39 centimeters. Length of the frame needed. Length of the frame needed is equal to square frame perimeter. Frame square meter means 4 into side, frame side, that is 4 into, what is the side here? 39. 39 centimeters. So now multiply 39 with 4. 4 9s are 36, 3, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15. 156 centimeters. So this much length of a frame we need to make a square shape picture in a frame. Okay.